Our spiral-bound Clever Fox Budget Planner is a large format planner. It comes neatly packed in a premium keepsake box, making it a beautiful gift or a pleasant treat for yourself. In the box, you will also find 5 cash envelopes, along with a bonus of 192 stickers and a quick start user manual that will help you transform your approach to budgeting and achieve your financial goals. There are 12 months in this planner, so it is a great tool for annual budgeting. To help you navigate, we assigned a different color scheme to each month. An important feature is that our planner is non-dated, so you can start using it anytime without wasting space. The planner measures 7.5 inches by 9.3 inches, which is slightly smaller than A4. It weighs about 1 pound. The bigger size of this planner means that there is more space on each page, which is great for those with bigger handwriting. We have also extended some sections, so you can plan your budget in more detail. Thanks to the durable spiral binding, the pages turn easily and lie flat when the planner is open. The cover is made from our special vegan leather, a strong protective layer for the thick, no-bleed 120 GSM paper pages inside. Now let's look at each section of this budget planner. Start by setting your financial goals. List up to 10 financial goals to achieve within the next 12 months. Next, focus on your strategy. Consider if you need to learn any new skills, and write down some powerful money affirmations. And list the actions necessary to increase your income and decrease your expenses. On the next page, create a list of important dates and events for the whole year. Every month, you begin with a monthly planning page, where you can write down your goals for the month and a to-do list, as well as keep track of your bills, income, and savings. There's also a spacious monthly calendar for any daily activities. On the monthly budget page, you can create your budget for key spending categories and compare it to your actual spending. At the end of the month, there is a monthly budget review to reflect on the month and think about how to improve the next one. We have also included 4 pages for an expense tracker and a page for notes and ideas for each month. We have enclosed 5 cash envelopes you can use to help you budget. The envelopes come in a highly tear-resistant and waterproof material to keep your money safe. At the back of this planner, you will find 8 savings trackers and 12 debt trackers to maintain your financial control, a holiday budget spread to plan your holiday spending, the regular bill tracker to manage monthly bills, a summary of the year to help you get an overview of the whole year and reflect on your financial success, and some empty dotted pages for note-taking. We hope that our budget planner will help set you up for financial success, which might go beyond what you can envision. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized, stay clever.